Hello, I'm Quassi from Quassi's Bell Tower, and in this episode we are going to open up the November RPG crate. So let's get to it. The box is right here. I've already opened it up to take the t-shirt so I could show this to you up and close and personal. Fan request, they decided I should take it out of the box and wear it, so here it is. It's quite nice. I really like this. So let's open this up and see what we got. Okay. Let's start with the card that comes with it. This week's episode is called Friends and Family, or this week's episode. This month's RPG crate, guys, is called Friends and Family. This is the November 2019 Season 4 crate number 40. And that's it. We'll come back to that, make sure we got everything, guys. So then next we have a miniature, guys, and this one's not from Effin' Cool Miniatures this time. This is from Reaper's Bones, and we've got ourselves a succubus. And I will take it out of the box for you guys, actually, so you guys can see it. And of course I will show a close-up of it so you can see even better. And of course it's made out of the plastic or the resin stuff they use, probably 3D printed, who knows. Even though this is really nicely detailed, but I'll put a close-up to it so you guys can see it. And I'm just surprised that we got something from Reaper's Bones and not Effin' Cool Miniatures. Are they not going with Effin' Cool Miniatures anymore? I doubt it. I'm just thinking maybe they found this and thought, hey, this would be the best thing for this month's crate, so let's get a hold of them, order some up. That's probably what happened. So next we have the Half Demon, which is the same design, but it's on the t-shirt. On the back it's got all its stats and everything else that I'm not going to let you guys read. And then it comes with a little card, play card for the DM probably. So next we have, it looks like our recipe card from the Master of the Hunt, Devils on Horseback is what this is called. The ingredients is packed whole dates pitted, which you only need 8 ounces of them, a half a cup of Asiago cheese cubed, and 8 to 10 slices of bacon, each cut into thirds. And then, you know, of course it's got how to make it and everything else. And then on the back side here we have a little adventure to get whatever we need. So that's that. And then next we have our 3 adventures, and these are the Mastery of the Hunt adventures. This first one is Mother Knows Best. That's that. A little bit of detail about the ladies on the back, or from the front. Cabin in the Woods. Just the detail on the back. And our last and final one is Abaddon's Gate. And then that's that one. Nothing fancy on the back. And then next, it looks like we have ourselves a 5th level adventure modular, 5th edition fantasy, number 10, The Castle in the Sky. So that's the cover there, guys. There's the back. We have a total of 20 pages. It's about 19 total for the adventure. You know, and then whatever information's on the back. There is a map right on the back side of the first of the cover. And then let's see. There is some artwork, not much, just in black and white. Nothing too fancy, guys. Normally these are just in black and white anyways. A little bit more artwork. And of course these books are usually $10. This is a $9.99 value. I don't know if I showed you that one. Yeah, I don't think I did. There's that one. Let's see. Looks like we got a little monster battle type thing going on over here. Let's see. Anything else really to show? A little bit more artwork. And then here's the back page with some of their previous books they have done. So that looks like it's about it, guys. It's all that you normally get in one of these. I'm just trying to find my card. Make sure we're not missing anything. Come on, card. Okay, we got our t-shirt. We got our Monster Lord. We got our tracker for the monster. We got our Monster Hunt, our Mastery of the Hunt quests. We got our Bone Miniature by Reaper Miniatures. We got our recipe card and the Castle in the Sky book. You know, guys, this one's a really good one. I'm sure the adventure in it will be really good. I know it says it's fifth level adventures. I'm just, like I said, I'm kind of curious about this figure with the succubus. If they're going to join with the Reaper Bones or the Dark Heaven Bones miniatures or not, and maybe go with them for a while, who knows. We've been getting the pewter and now we're getting the plastic. Do I feel like I got ripped off because I got that plastic? Nah, not at all. These look beautiful, they hold up nicely. I painted a few of these, never quite finished them, but they seem to hold up the paint really well, and I kind of like it. So what do I want to give this? You know what, I'm not disappointed with it at all. I like the t-shirt, I like the theme. I'm sure it'll be a great adventure when I get to it, and I think I'm gonna give this one an A. Oh! So that's it. Till next time, guys, and remember to ring that like button like a hunchback. Till next time, guys.